Who's making all the racket? All right, what's all the ruckus? It's a pretty little baby. Oh, look at the little guy. Hello there. Oh, you cute little bitty buddy. Goofy baby won't stop crying. We've tried everything. Gee, we already changed his diaper and took him for a walk.
And we just fed him. What else can we do?
Just fed me. Did you burp him? What the hell? That's probably why the little guy's crying. After you feed a baby, you gotta burp him. Oh, look at him coming, little mini. You know, to get me to burp, my mama always patted me on the back like this. Duff, duff, bottom, bottom, middle. Duff, duff, bottom, bottom, middle. My soul got to be making. Gee, thanks for your help, Peter.